13 on Your Side Weather Deck is sponsored by Montel Construction, your home team.
Well, it's 5:18 this morning. I just want to point out, I did not fall. So all is well. I just hit something on my way on out, but thanks for checking in on me. Now, it is a little bit slippery out here on the weather deck, so I'm definitely kind of penguin walking, and that's going to be the case for many of you as you're getting out the door this morning, too. Definitely slick on the ground. Roadways aren't looking too bad, but we do have some areas that are experiencing quite a bit of lake effect snow, and that's going to reduce visibility, still slowing you down on the roads a bit. 13 weather balls blinking bright. We do have more snow in sight. It's also green. No change for seed as our temperatures will top out close to the freezing mark once again today. This is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids. So here's what we're seeing across West Michigan. Quite a difference of look depending on where you are. Now, we still are seeing some areas where there's even gaps in the clouds. This is going to be very traditional with lake effect, where we have these streams of snow moving through some areas, but then also between some of those streams of snowfall, between some of these bands here, we have quite a bit of a gap when it comes to snowfall, and you can even see some of that clearing too over the Grand Rapids area. Still, Holland, you're getting hit by this band that's just been trailing its way on throughout much of this morning, another that's making its way down into Van Buren County. So throughout the rest of the day, still going to be seeing a bit more lake effect, but it does taper off into the afternoon and evening. Beyond that, though, we have greater impacts into this weekend. Starting to see snow picking up Saturday morning, but it's not until about 3 p.m. that we start to see the bulk of this system snow making its way into the Midwest and into West Michigan. With that being said, this does look like it's going to be pretty widespread and also heavy at times, lasting with us into Saturday night and continuing into Sunday morning. This does look to be heavy enough at times that we're going to be expecting some pretty significant totals out of this. By about 9 o'clock, the system snow moves out, replaced by still a little bit of lake effect throughout the rest of the day, but the greatest impact from that system snow between 3 p.m. tomorrow and 9 a.m. Sunday. Beyond that, looking a bit drier into Sunday night and continuing that way into Monday. How much snow are we expecting, though? Quite a bit of it. It does look like many areas could be seeing between about 4 to 8 inches north of I-96. South of I-96, though, I do think that we could still end up seeing between about 8 to 10 inches in some areas, possibly even a bit more than that when all is said and done because of that lake effect that we're still going to be expecting throughout the rest of our Sunday. So by the time we hit Sunday night, it does look like we could be seeing some pretty impressive totals out of all of this. This is what we're seeing from the 13 weather impact alert, once again lasting with us until 9 a.m. Sunday. The impact being from the widespread system snow where we could be somewhere between about 4 to 8 inches. This does look to be a plowable snowfall. We're going to be seeing quite a bit of that snow, so that's something that you're going to want to make sure is ready by the time we're rounding out the weekend and getting into next week. It's also going to be staying cold. Feels like temperatures in the teens and lower 20s lasting into next week. Lakeshore zone today, temps close to 30 and even close to the freezing mark. Upper 20s for our northern zone with still a couple of snow showers, and southern zone also close to 30 degrees. Your 13 on your side, 7-day forecast. 13 weather impact alert goes into effect tomorrow afternoon, lasting into Sunday morning. Scattered snow chances and staying cold throughout next week.